Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying credentials and environment. Sign into Appleid. Apple. Com to confirm your Apple ID is active and reset the password if needed. Next, make sure device date, time, and region match Apple servers because mismatches block authentication. Once network is confirmed, use stable Wi-Fi or cellular, open settings, and attempt App Store sign-in. If prompted for two-factor authentication, complete it now. This step clears the most common authorization failures quickly. Once signed out and ready, inspect restrictions or screen time controls that can disable purchases or stores and toggle them off. Then sign out of iCloud and the App Store, reboot the device, and sign back in to refresh tokens. If issues persist, update iOS. Updates often fix system authentication quirks, or connect to a computer and use iTunes to back up and update. These steps re-establish trust between your device and Apple servers and address corrupted local settings. To finish, reset network settings to clear cached DNS and proxy problems. If that fails, perform a full factory reset after backing up. When you restore, sign into your Apple ID first to re-enable App Store and iTunes access. If the store remains disabled, contact Apple support with your device serial and Apple ID. They can remove account flags or guide a server-side fix. One troubleshooting tip: always restore from a fresh device state, not a problematic backup, if the error persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.